Welcome to a life of luxury and sophistication at the Overlook at Fairfax Boulevard. Here, your home is nestled in the heart of Fairfax City in an amazing location. Just footsteps from Dolce Vita restaurant and a short drive from hotspots in historic Fairfax, as well as close by Mosaic District, Fairfax Corner, and Tyson's Corner Center. Overlook at Fairfax Boulevard will feature new 2-level condos and 4-story townhomes with outdoor living space, designed to elevate your lifestyle to new heights. These spacious new homes will offer modern finishes and state-of-the-art appliances. Your new home will be a haven of comfort and style, offering a convenient lock-and-go lifestyle. You'll love coming home to this new community with its beautiful streetscape and amenities, including open space with a picnic area, tot lot, bike racks, and more. Indulge in the vibrant lifestyle of Fairfax City with its impressive array of events, including live music, food festivals, and outdoor movie nights. George Mason University is also in the city of Fairfax, just 2 miles away, providing cultural and sports entertainment opportunities. Overlook at Fairfax Boulevard is a commuter's dream, conveniently located close by to the Innova Hospital Center, as well as many other medical facilities. In addition to nearby Tyson's, home to Fortune 500 companies and government contractors. By living at the Overlook at Fairfax Boulevard, you get to experience a vibrant lifestyle along with an amazing home, and you'll never run out of things to do. Don't miss the chance to experience this exclusive lifestyle. Welcome home to the Overlook at Fairfax Boulevard. Join the VIP list today